Now that the cloud stocks are making a comeback after that heinous sell-off last year, which ones might be worth circling back to? Regular viewers know all about the cloud kings and the cloud princes, but I want to introduce you to a new one. It's a little bit smaller, but handles big customers. That's Appian Corporation. These guys provide customers with a cloud-based platform that helps them develop their own applications, especially for business process management. Appian's all about what's known as low-code, new term for us on the show, low-code development. Their software makes it easier for programmers to make tools without doing a lot of coding. Now, this stock came public in May of 2017 at $12, and even after the meltdown late last year, it rallied more than 160% to 31. 31 change as of today. Of course, Appian has rebounded dramatically from its lows, like the other cloud stocks. It bottomed at 22, but the stock is still well off its $43 all-time high from last summer. So can this thing keep climbing here? Let's take a close look with Matt Calkins. He's the founder, chairman, and CEO of Appian Corporation. Learn more about his business, what they do, and where it's headed. Mr. Calkins, welcome to Mad Money. Good to see you, bud. Have a seat. Okay, so we're always trying to figure out for our viewers, where do you fit in the food chain? For instance, when I read this platform and what you guys are up to, I immediately thought of Twilio, because we spent a lot of time there with Jeff Lawson. It turns out they're your partner.
We are partners with Twilio. We and Twilio together, Appian and Twilio, have a contact center offering that makes the contact center far more intelligent. And together, we've got a lot of great assets. The Appian Contact Center offers case management. We're the best in the world at case management, according to the analysts. So we got that edge. We've got artificial intelligence built in to tell you how happy the customers are at any given moment in the conversation. And we give you a 360-degree view of all the data about the customer, so the agent is fully informed the moment the call comes in.
Okay, so that would be why Dallas-Fort Worth, they would pick you, the airport, right?
Yeah, we're proud of this one. Dallas-Fort Worth has rolled us out to literally every employee of the entire airport. They started with a few applications, and they ended up with more than 40, and they did the entire rollout in 18 months, which really gets me to the core of Appian's value proposition. It's not just that we can make new applications for big businesses. We can do it quickly, and that makes us different from all of our competitors.
Well, it sure is. I mean, I'm looking at this. I have to tell you, I was kind of shocked, having hired many different companies in your space at my other outfit, The Street. The idea you give an Appian guarantee 8 weeks for I've never heard of an actual guarantee. Never.
We are a platform for building applications. And you know, the whole world these days needs their own software applications.
Yes.
So it's a big market, but it's a complicated, difficult market. And most of those firms expect to spend millions of dollars and maybe years building their next application. So we come in and we say, you don't have to spend millions of dollars in years. You spend 8 weeks, $150,000 of services, and your first app is live. That's our guarantee. We just launched it late last year.
I'm going to push back on this.
Yeah.
I've gotten many companies to give me a guarantee, and the guarantee meant nothing. And in the end, there was always a problem. I always heard it was my fault. How are you able to do this?
We're able to do it because we're doing it already. We just wanted to raise the profile and let people know. This was our advantage against our competitors. We had the fastest, most elegant way to build a new piece of software, and we wanted to put a blazing spotlight on that. So we issue the guarantee, and we're pretty much guaranteeing what we were already doing.
Now, one company we've had on a number of times was a logistics company with millions of different things that are moving around as Ryder. This is a company that has to have a very sophisticated platform, and that's you.
Yeah, we work with Ryder. The entire truck cycle, where trucks are checked in and checked out and inspected and repaired and all that all runs on Appian right now. And using Appian, they cut in half the amount of time it would take any of us to rent a truck. If we went to the Ryder lot and we wanted to drive a truck off, cut it in half. Their customer satisfaction was up by 10 points as soon as they rolled out on Appian. And they got this common perspective, bringing together what would have been different silos, different applications.
Now, you do some work with Goldman?
Oh, yeah, we do. We do a lot of work with Goldman, definitely. They roll out the latest contact center on us. And
they did?
Yeah. I mean,
because they've got very sophisticated technology people.
And such smart people.
Yeah.
Such smart people. They're very ambitious. They're very sophisticated, and they build a lot of things in-house. So it was a big deal that they were willing to use our platform.
Yeah, because I didn't know. I mean, they've got technology people at the very top of the firm that tend not to want to go outside.
This is one of the big differences between Appian and all the rest of the low-code market. Everybody understands that low-code is easy and it's fast, and it makes applications quickly. What they don't understand is low-code can be a great way to build a powerful application. Now, a client like Goldman or Dallas-Fort Worth, they wouldn't want to build an application unless it was powerful. Everything they do is mission critical. So the fact that they would choose our platform says something about the substance that we're offering.
Oh, totally. No, because they can pick any platform. All right, so Matt, I know you also have work with the FDA and the USDA, and as soon as I saw that, I said, finally, I have someone I've got to ask about the shutdown. Is the shutdown impacting your business?
Okay, the shutdown may slow some things down. You'll see contracts waiting on somebody's desk for the signatory to come back in.
Right.
So there's a slowdown. In the end, though, I think the shutdown's impact on the economy to date is relatively small.
Right.
And I don't expect it'll be too disruptive.
So do we have to worry that you'll have to asterisk your next quarter because of contracts that were not signed because of the shutdown?
Right. The shutdown will affect ours and everybody else's quarter, but I don't think that the shutdown will be determinative or decisive in the shape of that quarter.
All right, I've got 1 minute. I've got to ask you about this. You're a top finisher at the World Board Gaming Championships. Tell us about. Everybody plays board games again. They're very retro chic.
They're becoming popular.
No,
again.
I do them all the time with my kids.
That's fantastic. I love them. I play them competitively. I've published 3 board games of my own
give
design.
me some. Come on.
Yeah, I was Sekigahara as a war game about the founding of the Tokugawa shogunate, and I've Tin Goose is about running an airline in the 30s. So I've published a few. I'm working on a few others. It's a great hobby.
Just something
and
you like, huh?
It makes you a better CEO. The intensity behind it and to be able to see something complicated and extract what's important, I think it's helped me a lot.
The chess, these are actual board games. Give us some more. I mean, honestly, because those two, candidly, I mean, I'm a Monopoly guy, basically.
Yeah,
like
I played
Chutes
Monopoly.
and ladders, sorry.
Well, I like Acquire.
You like Acquire? I have Acquire.
That is
I have Acquire in my office.
I love that game.
Isn't it? My father used to sell the most Acquire in the Philadelphia area.
Wow. Okay, if you like business games, how about Power Grid or Automobile? These are other favorites.
How about Stocks and Bonds? You have that one? 3M?
These are 3M games.
Yes, I know. I mean,
right.
Of course, I said with my staff, I said, I wonder if you can play Crimes Against Humanity. And they said, that's Cards Against Humanity. And Matt, you're a delight. That's Matt Calkins, founder, chairman, CEO of Appian. Very sophisticated, big stuff. You saw that client list. That's very tough to beat. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.